Howdy, it's day 17, and this is your only graded assignment for this week. I still expect you to work on your dream box and get 5 lessons over the week, and I'll remind you of that. And I still want you to do 2 reflex green lights. You can only do 1 green light per day, so you'll have to get on reflex 2 separate days, and I'll remind you of that. But this week, I want you to focus on this Polygon slideshow that I'm about to explain to you. And I'm also going to let you fix work that you made a bad grade on or finish any work that you haven't completed yet. So there was some confusion. I said I would call you for the live lessons, but I found a way to attach that link. So from now on, you're just going to click that link when it's live lesson day. I do want you, if you haven't already accepted an invitation from me on Google Hangouts, I want you to start a new conversation, and then I can text you directly instead of messaging your parents all the time. Peyton and I are talking about what she's behind on. I've been telling Jordan what he's behind on. So that's a way for me to tell you instead of your family. So this is day 17. You're going to first watch this video about how to edit and create this slideshow about polygons. Then you're going to open your own slideshow about your polygons. So I have it. You'll click here and it'll make your copy for you. I have it already open in another window. So it'll have your name up here. So like Elin Clay, My Polygon Slideshow. This is slide 1. Each slide is numbered over here to the left. There's a scroll where you can skip to slides if you want to, and then you can just click it and it'll take you to that slide. But starting on slide 1, it says My Polygon Slideshow. You're going to click here and type your name. Okay. And that's just like the title. That's the front page of your slideshow. So then you're going to recognize a lot of these shapes from our live lesson and my recorded lesson. But here are shapes M, N, O, P, Q, R. And I had to put some on another page. S, T, U, V, W, and X. And on slides 2 and 3, it says that you're going to use these polygons to answer the questions on slide 4. So I told you there'd be some questions eventually. On the example, it says pick the polygons that have 3 sides, and it says polygons Y and X. But there is also slide W that has 3 sides, and slide Q that has 3 sides. So you could also add on the example Q and W. But on the first one that you do by yourself, you're going to look at each polygon and pick the sides that are the same. So looking at slide 3, we talked about a square and how all the sides are the same. So for sure, S would go here. So where it says type letters here, you're actually going to click right there, and you would put S, comma, and then let's look for some more that are the same length. All sides are the same length, equal. W has 3 sides and they are the same length. So you would add W to that. And there's more than that, but I don't want to give it all away. Okay, the next question is list the polygons that are not equal sides. Not equal sides. Well, this one jumps out at me, O. O jumps out at me because it has a very long side and then a short side over here. So those sides aren't equal. So I would put O for this one, but there's more than that. You'll have to find them. At least one right angle. Remember, right angle is a square corner. So I'm going to go back to S. We said a square has 4 right angles or square corners, but the question is it has at least one. So S still goes here because it has 4. And at least means at least one. There can be more than one. So you're going to find other shapes that have a right angle and list those here. At least one set of parallels. Parallels is when the two sides are going the same direction. And you can see that S has this side, and they're going the same way. S has another set of parallels, but we're just trying to find all the ones that have at least one. V does not have a set of parallels. It kind of looks like it does, but the top side is going this way and the bottom side is going this way. And if those kept going, those would bump together. So be careful when you're picking that. So that's what you do on slide 4. You'll click the box, take my typing away, delete that, and add your letters. Slide number 5. How many right angles does this polygon have? Remember, right angles are square corners. So you're going to study this and count how many box corners that it has. Don't click on my question and delete the question because then it'll be gone and you won't know what you were supposed to do. Click here and type your answer. And then on the last slide, how are these polygons the same? So there's something the same about them. Type your same answer right here. Click and type. And then how are these polygons different? Click different and type. Once you've edited slide number 4, 5, and 6, you'll push turn in up here. Like I said, this is all we're doing for the whole week, except for catching up on your work, except for Dreambox, except for Reflex. So if there's something wrong, I'm going to send it back to you, and you're going to have a chance to make it right. So don't get upset if I return this without a grade, because I want to give you a lot of chances to make a good grade. So I hope you have fun with this and keep up the good work.